Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Reset, and here tap on Reset all settings at the top. Here your device is informing you that what kind of data will be reset. So network settings, fingerprints, face recognition, lock screen, password, and no data or documents will be deleted, so no worries about that. So simply tap on Reset all settings, confirm everything with your screen lock. And here you've got the information that the phone may need to be restarted, so be aware about that. And you cannot undo this action. So just tap on Reset all settings and wait until the process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.